Hello and welcome to the final episode of the Flavourful Summer of STEAM 2020. We're finishing the series off with math and learning about it through multiplying with mug cakes. Let's start by looking at the ingredients and materials you will need. PDF instructions can be found in the description below. Chocolate chips are delicious if you have them. You'll need oil, milk of your choice, we used almond milk, flour, we used gluten-free flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, and your favorite mugs. You'll also need a couple measuring spoons. Let's get baking! My little brother Neo helped us with this part of the video. Start by adding 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to each cup. Norbert and his grandma tried it out as well, so here's what they were doing. Next up, add 3 tablespoons of flour to each cup. Next up, add 1 teaspoon of sugar to each cup. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder to each as well. Now add 2½ teaspoons of oil to each cup. Then add 3 tablespoons of milk to each cup as well. Now mix it all up. If you have chocolate chips at home, you can add a couple to the top of the mug cake for an extra delicious surprise. Here are our cakes ready to go into the microwave. Now you're going to put your mug cakes in the microwave for 30 to 60 seconds, depending on the strength of your microwave. Then take them out and enjoy! Here are Norbert's mug cakes, and here's ours. You can also add vanilla, berries, nuts, or anything you'd like. Now it's time for the moment of truth, the taste test. Now that they have the thumbs up of approval, let's move on to learning about how this relates to math. Now Norbert is going to walk us through the math behind the mug cakes.
What if you wanted to make cakes for more than one person? Say you wanted to make 3 cakes. So how much of each ingredient would we need? We can determine this through multiplication. For each ingredient, take the amount stated in the recipe and multiply it by the number of cakes that you want to make. Continuing the example of making 3 cakes, take an ingredient, let's use milk, and multiply the amount in the recipe by 3. To make 1 cake, 3 tablespoons of milk is needed. So for 3 cakes, you would need 9 tablespoons of milk in total. Do the same for the rest of the ingredients. You have now calculated the amount of each ingredient that you will need to make 3 mug cakes in total.
Now you know how to double or triple the recipe to make as many mug cakes as you'd like. Be sure to remember to multiply. Thank you to Norbert and his grandma for filming their videos of making the mug cakes, as well as to Neo for helping me out. Also, a big shout out to Carmen for the animations that you saw in today's video. Finally, thanks to Moses for his help researching this idea, and to the Rising Youth Community Grant Program for all of their support. And thanks to you for watching the entire Flavourful Summer of STEAM series this year. We had so much fun making these videos, and we hope to make more in the future. In the meantime, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching!